In today's video, we're going to be making the world famous chocolate lava cake. Make sure to watch all the way to the end because things are about to be real insane. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's go. We are going to start off with half a cup of butter or one stick. Start them by slicing them into small cubes. Next, right up here, I have 180 grams of chocolate. You can use chocolate or chocolate chips. It doesn't really matter. The specific brand that I used was Dairy Milk. You can find these in grocery stores. Now that we got our chocolate and butter, we can make our chocolate ganache. To make our chocolate ganache, we're gonna melt our butter and chocolate on a medium heat. Let's start off by placing our chocolate and our butter together. Start mixing with the spatula. Make sure you simmer it really nice because you don't want the butter and the chocolate to differentiate. Now that our delicious chocolate ganache is made, take out 4 eggs in room temperature, 2 of them with yolk and 2 of them without. Add in 1/4 cup of sugar to your bowl. Also, throw in 4 tablespoons of flour to your bowl as well. Now take our mixture and put it in with the chocolate ganache. Once everything is mixed in, as you can see here, our mixture is finally ready. Now put aside our mixture and take out 4 ramekins to bake these delicious chocolate lava cakes. We don't want our delicious chocolate lava cake to be stuck to the ramekin, so butter each pan. Now throw in some flour to our buttered ramekins. Once that is done, let's add our chocolate mixture to our ramekins. Once everything is poured, it's time to bake. Bake it at 450 degrees in the oven for about 10 to 13 minutes. As you guys can see, our chocolate lava cakes look just fine. Now it's the scary part. You have to make sure the chocolate lava cakes come out without breaking. Fortunately, I was relieved that mine came out just fine. You can add some powdered sugar on the top if you would like. And how can we forget the ice cream? You can add in 1 scoop of ice cream per serving. As you can see, our chocolate lava cake has finally been done. And finally, last but not least, the taste test. These were so delicious, I would really make them again. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe.